Here we've cut my heating unit in defrost mode. You can see those coils cooling off here on the heater side of the unit. Here we are on the outside. You can see the coil that feeds my place cooling. One that feeds the upstairs doesn't seem to be cooling as much, but it might just be because it's longer run, so it's not going to show as much. And what this unit's basically doing now is warming up to take frost off of the coils out here, which is actually where we take heat from the outside air in, and we exchange the cold back off this unit when we're in heating mode. And then of course the unit would basically operate in the method that it is right now for air conditioning in the summer, bringing heat out here and cold in there. But I just thought I would give a shot of a heat pump in defrost mode. There you go. We'll take a look back at the inside quick. Here we are. Pardon the bottles of cocoa oil in the way. Alright, now she's firing back up. She's back in normal mode. So we'll go back and look at the outside. You can see the difference. She's back in heat mode. At least on the inside. I think it might be defrost cycling hers now, the upstairs now, because that one's cold now. So both line feeds are cold now. Although mine claims it's back on. I'm sure we'll see this unit start back up in a minute. Actually, I hear it switching around. And we should see this temperature drop on this now pretty quick. Oh yeah, you can see the fluctuations of warm air coming out of there. We should see the lines heat up again here shortly, I would think. Yeah, there we go. Heat flowing again. You can see the hot side coming out. And we'll see the cold return coming back from line right up shortly as that loop runs. There it goes. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, that's a thermal view of a heat pump.